Hi everyone, Melanie Cameron here with the Cameron team at Coldwell Banker Seacoast Advantage in Wilmington, North Carolina. Today I wanted to talk about budgeting. Budgeting for your expenses when you're planning on buying a home. Despite the craziness that we've seen in the mortgage and real estate industry over the past few years, homeownership is still the American dream. Now it's even more affordable because prices are down, interest rates are low, and inventory is high. It is the perfect opportunity for home buyers. However, it is very important that you budget for the expenses that you're going to incur when you buy a home. In addition to your home mortgage payment every month, there are some other things that you need to consider, and I wanted to bring those up to you. First of all, you need to get with a reputable lender to discuss what your closing costs are going to be, including your appraisal fees, your home inspections, your attorney's fees. You need to get with a good, reputable lender. We're happy to help you with that. So that you know exactly what expenses you're going to incur in that regard. Next, you need to consider whether or not the neighborhood that you're buying in has homeowners dues. A lot of neighborhoods have homeowners associations where they charge monthly fees, whether it's for a pool or clubhouse or tennis courts. You need to make sure with that whatever that monthly fee is, you have in your budget so you can plan accordingly. Next, you need to consider what the property taxes are. You can find out from your agent or online or from the current homeowner what their taxes are. I know in our area this year we were just issued reassessment of our tax value and the new tax rate hasn't come out yet. But you can look at the past to kind of help indicate the future and at least have a figure in mind to budget for that amount as well. Next, if you are not putting down 20% down payment on your mortgage, the lender is going to require most likely for you to pay private mortgage insurance. You'll hear lenders refer to it as PMI. This is an additional expense in addition to your taxes, insurance, and regular monthly payment that you pay to cover the mortgage company in the event that you were to default on the loan. So if you're not putting 20% down, make sure you ask that question of your loan officer. Next, you also need to consider homeowners insurance. A good indication is what the current homeowners are paying, so you can always ask your agent to ask the owner what their yearly premium is on their homeowners policy. That will be a good indicator of what you're going to be paying. It also gives you a figure to shop around with other insurance providers so that you can get the best deal. But again, you need to budget for that monthly expense. You also need to consider your monthly utility bills. Electric bill, gas bill, phone bill, cable bill, all those things need to be added into your monthly budget. From most utility companies, you can get what the previous owner's average utility bills were. Again, a good indicator of what your expenses are going to be so that you can budget accordingly. Next, you also want to check to make sure there's no special assessments or hidden fees within the association that you're going to be required to pay. I've seen a lot of neighborhoods charge what's called a working capital fee for new homeowners in the neighborhood. It's a one-time fee that you pay up front when you become a new member in a neighborhood. I've seen the price range from $200 to $700 up front at closing. That is not a surprise you want to have at the closing table. Figure it out up front and know what your fees are going to be. Most importantly, as I said before, get yourself in touch with a good, reputable lender who is going to itemize all these expenses for you, let you know what your closing costs are going to be so that there are no hidden surprises. We at the Cameron team want you to be informed buyers. We want you to get the best deal, and we want you to be prepared. If you have any questions or comments, please give us a call. We can be reached at 910-202-2546. We always welcome feedback and your comments. Check us out anytime on our website at www.thecameronteam.net. Thanks for checking us out and stay tuned for more info. Have a great day.